What's up, Vincent?
Rito, that's right.
I'm here to see you. What do you do? What have you been doing? If you really learn from my masterclass.
Yes, sir. Well, I'm excited to show you.
This is the same oven that I have in my house.
That's why I bought it. That's why I bought it. You have it, I want it.
This is really like the masterclass, my friend. This is the goal. This video is the goal.
Learn straight from the source right here.
Hello guys from Maestro Vittorio Capelli and welcome back to my channel. If you love pizza, go ahead and subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for your time. Leave a nice thumbs up and share. Today I'm going to do something very different, something very interesting. Today I decide to go ahead and surprise one of my students and one guy that is really active on my all the comments. I'm going to see if he wants to make a pizza and we are going to compare the pizza from my masterclass and the pizza that he makes, and we're going to see if he makes the real good pizza and if he follow all the details like I do, like I teach. I'm very excited. Let's see what he hear when you hear my voice. Go ahead.
This is Vince.
Hello, Vincent Ramos?
Yeah, this is Vince.
You know who is this?
Who's this?
You don't recognize my voice? This is Vito Jacopelli, my friend. Congrats!
Vito.
Yes, Vito Jacopelli.
El maestro.
Yes, the maestro, my friend. Congratulations.
Hey, maestro, what's happening, man? How'd you get my number? What?
I got it, my friend. You are the one in the private group on the masterclass. So I got all. So I decide you are one of the most active users. So congrats. So I decide I pick you to basically. I want to see with my eyes and come to you and see if you really got the art of making pizza through my videos.
What?
Yes.
You pick me?
Yeah, really. I want to come to you and visit you in person.
Oh man, come on down. When, man, anytime. When can we do it? Let's do it. I'm excited.
Are you sure tomorrow is okay for you?
Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow.
I'll be ready.
Are you sure 100%?
I'll make it happen. If El Maestro is going to come to me, I will be ready. Let's go.
Perfect. Okay, so send me your address. I'm gonna come to you tomorrow. Make sure 11 o'clock is fine with you?
Man, let's do it, Vito. Let's do it.
So just really quick, 1 second, because you know the situation of the COVID. Can you get the test done? You know the quick test, COVID, please.
No problem.
Yeah, we all doing the test just to make sure we're all safe.
Yeah, sounds good. I'll make it happen.
You got 24 hours from now.
Ready.
Okay, the time starts now. So I'll see you tomorrow, my friend. Thank you so much. Don't forget, send me the address.
Can't wait. Let's go.
Ciao. What's up, Vincent?
Rito, that's right.
I'm here.
Park right there, man. Anywhere.
Right there is good?
Right there. Yeah.
Vincent, finally we meet in person, my friend. You are one of the most active users in the Facebook Masterclass group. Thank you so much, my friend.
Yes,
so first of all,
yes, sir.
It's a pleasure to meet you. Guys, this guy here, Vincent Ramos, correct?
Yes, sir.
It's one of the most active user on the private group of Masterclass, and also I saw on YouTube you are the guy that comments already always a lot, and then you always support me a lot. So I'm here to say thank you in person and surprise you.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I'm here to see you. What do you do? What have you been doing? If you really learn from my masterclass.
Yes, sir. Well, I'm excited to show you. You know, I bought everything.
I saw, my friend. You have the oven.
Look, I got your
the
flour.
same flour.
Right. I don't use that other stuff. I got the rack right here.
Well,
the rack is here so the pizza doesn't get soggy.
Well, you get everything.
But most importantly, here we go. We got the
amazing Zio Ciro, my friend.
Right.
This is the same oven that I have in my house.
That's why I bought it. You have it. I want it.
This is the goal of my channel, the masterclass especially, is to teach the art, the passion more than everything, the passion for the pizza, because pizza is a lifestyle. Pizza is a serious thing.
Yes, sir.
It's not just pizza, my friend. You know, these guys, they say pizza. Pizza is a serious thing. Pizza is my life. Take a look. Pizza is lifestyle. That's what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Like this guy.
Yes, sir.
When somebody comment always a lot, I go see. I said, what's this guy is doing? As I saw also, you make pizza in the kitchen.
Yes. I started in the kitchen.
Oh, let's
home
go. I
oven.
want to see everything. I came
Sure, let's
all
go.
the way from
I'll show
Italy.
you.
Let's
I'll
go see.
you.
Show
Yes,
me.
sir.
Show
Let's
me.
Go. Let's go.
Wow, fantastic, my friend. Take a look. You got some dough here.
Had to get the dough boxes.
What's the percentage?
70%.
That's what I'm talking
70%,
about.
come on.
70% fresh mozzarella. Take a look, guys. Take a look.
the little
in
trick.
the bowl. See, that's how you get dry the mozzarella. This is the best. That's how you start with the little bricks.
If Vito recommends it, I want
See?
it.
That's what I'm talking about. The bricks, guys. The
Electric
bricks.
oven, cheap electric
like,
oven.
Exactly like the master class. Fantastic, my friend. You got all the pans.
I got
the
the
dough machine.
I got the screens for the New York pizza.
style.
For the New York pizza.
Oh, but I saw also you do the Portuguese pizza. That's correct.
The Detroit style.
That's my friend.
Yeah.
The Detroit style is my favorite.
Yeah, maybe we do a video on that one.
Okay, maybe coming soon. If
maybe
we get
do a
this
video on
video to
Detroit.
5,000 likes, we're gonna make together
Let's
a
do it.
Detroit
Let's do
style
it.
pizza.
Come on, let's go.
Italian style with Maestro Vittorio Copelli and Ramos. Detroit style, 5,000 likes. Go ahead, smash the like and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.
I see also the dough machine.
Well, you know, you need a strong dough machine if we're going to use Biga.
Aha,
You said
Biga.
for Biga, we got the strong dough machine.
You know, I'm giving this little quick question, tricky question to see
No tricks.
if he's prepared.
No tricks. I'm ready. I'm ready
Oh,
for
one day.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
One day of preparation. What is that?
Well, that's how we
Our
first.
second step.
Second step. I stepped up from
first step.
from the electric oven.
Second step, guys. But now, my friend, now I'm here. I'm here to test you. And then I'm gonna compare the video from the masterclass
Okay.
to the video
Oh yeah.
that you're gonna make.
Night and
So
day.
guys, you are going to see the two videos and to see if this guy really learned from my masterclass.
No problem. I got it. I'm ready.
Because I really, on this masterclass, we really put the passion on there and we try to put step by step. And then today, this is actually for me, it's a good thing for me to see if this project really works.
Yes, sir. I'm excited. I'm excited to show what I've learned.
Let's go. Andiamo. Wow, fantastic. We are ready to rock and roll. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The moment of the truth.
Yes, sir.
If you really learn how to make the pizza from my masterclass.
Let's see.
Let's see.
I'm ready. Okay.
Action.
Action. Let's
Set.
go. No pressure.
Action.
No pressure.
Let me see the dough. Perfect. What's the percentage again?
70%.
Polish.
70%.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a little tricky question to you.
A little tricky question.
But
I'm ready.
right now we're gonna compare this video to the masterclass video.
Yes, sir.
Go for it.
Yes, sir.
Look at this hair. Oh my god.
Real puffy, huh? But it's very soft, Vito. So I'm not gonna do the slap
Okay, go.
because
of course,
it's
of
very
course.
soft, right? Let's get all this
Flour
off.
off.
Let's get all this off. Let's get all this off. Upside down. You see the upside down?
I saw that.
Yes, sir. Real quick. We need to be quick with the toppings, right? Or else it's gonna stick. You gotta have all the toppings ready, right?
Amazing.
All the toppings ready. Yes,
You
sir.
brought the tomato sauce with you. That's a good
Everything
thing.
ready. Little Parmesan? Parmesan? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna put the basil under.
The mozzarella, good job.
Put the basil under because we're gonna cook it in the zio ciro. Very hot, very professional. Yes, sir. Fresh mozz. Look at that. Oh,
Wow,
so good.
that's what I'm talking
So
about.
good. And I got a little something special right here.
The olive oil, eh?
Whoa, the olive oil. But look at the
Amazing.
container. Watch out. I got this from Italy.
Authentic.
Authentic.
Fantastic.
Some, I got an
A
Italian
little
guy.
bit olive oil.
An Italian guy gave some to me. Boom.
Fantastic.
Okay.
Pala,
Yes, sir.
go for it. With the holes, this way
With
you
the
get the
holes,
house, the flour out.
Yes, all the flour off.
Fantastic.
Get it all off. Make it a little bit bigger. Pinch.
Well, what
underneath.
happens if the flour goes under the
It's
pizza?
gonna burn. It's gonna burn the pizza.
13 inches pizza, amazing.
13 inches pizza. Look at that.
Fantastic, in the oven.
It's not my best, but a lot of pressure.
A lot of pleasure.
One shot. Boom.
Boom, vai,
One
boom,
shot,
in the
boom.
oven.
Yes.
One peel to put it in, one peel to take it out.
Yes, sir.
Watch out, you're gonna burn the pizza. Oh, I don't see anything.
No. I got this oven down. But we gotta check. Oh, nice and cooked.
Man, this oven is a beast, eh?
Yes, this oven is a beast. It's hard to make a bad pizza in this oven. It's hard.
You don't change spot, huh?
No,
Okay.
well, it depends on the bottom, right? If it's cooking too much, put it in the same. If it's not, we move it around. But it's cooking nicely.
Good job.
Look at that.
Because if you change spot, what happened?
I don't
You
know.
burn if it's.
Oh yeah, because it's too hot in the new spot. That's why it's got to go back in the same. So we just watch.
And we get the plate. Oh, actually, it's right there.
We'll get a little dome. Check that out.
Oh, already done.
Look at that.
Boom! Wow, man! Like
Look at that.
this is probably this is really like the master class, my friend.
I'm saying.
Looks like even cooking the wood burning oven, and this is gas.
Yes.
And then also-
crunchy
also-
and soft at the same time.
Crunchy and soft in the same time. Smash that like if you think soft and crunchy in the same time.
Sign me up.
Outstanding, my friend. Outstanding. Let me see the bottom. Outstanding. Wow. I
Obviously.
mean, now it's your turn to comment below and tell me he did a good job, 1 to 10, how close we are from the masterclass to the reality. And if you're already on the masterclass private group, you already are inside the masterclass, let me know if you want to be the next future guest, because I'm going to surprise you. Thank you so much for watching. Vincent, you did an amazing, outstanding
Thank you, sir.
job. Now it's time to taste and say bye to our friends.
Yes, sir. Let's
Cut
do
it, cut it up, cut it up. I cut it up for you. Actually, we're gonna
Simple.
split.
Make it simple.
Voila. Pom pom pom.
Go ahead, you cut it.
Split right there. Voila. Vincenzo, a te l'onore. I get this one. A little bit more well done.
Yes, sir.
Outstanding.
Yes, sir.
Soft and crunchy in
For
the same time.
for the
Chin
tip.
chin, chin
Yes, sir.
chin.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Get the masterclass.
I mean, guys, that's the goal. That's the goal of my YouTube channel, and that's the goal of the masterclass.
Thank you.
This is the goal. This video is the goal.
Learn straight from the source right here.
See you soon, guys. Ciao.